And when I didn't have it, I say, "Oh, sorry, I don't have it." I always say that. But then I start make a note, what people asking. For example, if I see two or more people asked in 1 month something related with this, accessories, I order that. And it's about the parts as well. I try to have almost, I would say, everything, maybe 80%, 90% in the store, because mostly people doesn't want to wait, and especially in areas like Florida, because most of the people are traveling here, and when they come, they don't have time to wait 1 day or 2 days for the shipping and stuff. If you have your product, part, screen, or anything, at the store, you can fix it at the store, and it's the same day. So you're not going to lose that customer. And after I did that, I saw a difference as well. So I don't lose customer. I pre-order some specific parts, but most of the parts and accessories I have in my store. I'd say from older iPhone 5 till the new 16s, and from Samsung, same older model S8 up to S24 Ultra and A models as well. I know it's a little bit expensive to keep all the parts in the stock, but it's worth it.